What is happening, guys? We are Craig and Amy and you are watching Kicking It!
And we are in the middle of winterproofing and doing up the bodywork on our bus. It has taken a lot of hours and grit to get to this point of building the interior, but we still have a huge list of things that need doing. Custard's to-do list. If you saw our last video, then you would have seen that Custard is a bit of a shambles. Oh my god.
Oh dear.
I'm not sure if we're going to be able to fix this. But it's not all bad news. In this video, we are super excited to tell you we are going to be giving away £500 worth of Salomon gear. Stay tuned to find out more. Her name is Custard. And she's a big yellow custard diva. So soon she'll be our home. And we can go anywhere in her because she's yellow like custard. So guess who's coming up tomorrow?
Who's coming up tomorrow?
Only Gary from Barry. Gary. He used to build buses from scratch.
Hallelujah.
So he's like, he knows what he's doing. Hopefully he can tell us what to do. I just hope this isn't going to cost a fortune. I was hoping it would just be time that it would take. But at the moment it feels like it's going to cost a lot more money. Custard is an actual money pit. But we love her though, so it's worth it. But the other thing is, like, so many people are like, oh, wouldn't you just scrap it? I'm like, it's such a throwaway world.
Yeah.
Such a throwaway society. Like, this has been our labour of love. And we want to put all our time into her so that all the rust is gone and the outside matches the inside, because she's a beauty.
She is.
Thanks for listening. Bonjour, look who it is.
Come and What? I didn't expect to see you this morning. Good morning, darling. You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
We're doing the right thing though, yeah?
What you've got to do is attack one piece at a time.
That's what I
or
said.
just a little bit at a time.
Really?
Don't do it all at once, otherwise by the you haven't done the other side as well, have you?
Yeah.
What you're doing is right, yeah.
Yeah, he said. It's pretty bad.
He's such a nice guy. He makes us feel so happy, doesn't he? He's like, stay positive, and I'm like, okay.
We're like, okay. But yeah, it can be fixed, but it's going to take a lot of time.
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of work to do.
But Gary's a man, like, he knows everybody, nearly in the world.
If you're in South Wales or in the UK, Gary actually does camper conversions, so give him a shout or put his details in the description.
Yeah.
But for now, please buy some King in It merchandise because Custard's going to cost us a fortune.
And there'll be no King in It series anymore.
We might just have to quit YouTube and live in the van that doesn't run.
With the mice squirrel family.
Gary wanted to do a thorough job, so he popped to his mate's garage to take a look underneath to see if it was worth fixing all the panels. If the structure of the bus was too damaged, then we may have to say goodbye to Custard.
Well early, man. It's dinner! Oh, lads, it's way too early for this.
Here we go, moment of truth.
I'm not sure why I was dragged into it, to be honest.
It's time to check the chassis.
The chassis is alright, see, up there.
Is it?
Hang on, shut up, calm down. Only up by there.
No, I'm getting excited.
Don't know that, that's good. That's really good. Who painted the black?
Me.
You missed a bit by there.
It's not as bad as you thought, which is marvellous. It is really in good nick down here. And what do they say about Mercedes? Like engines, they go forever.
Go forever, do they,
go
like?
forever.
Go forever.
So yeah, chassis looking mint, lads.
I love a little super noodle do today.
Oh, well, this is what it's all about, though.
Control. We're on.
That's such good news. So
Yeah,
that literally
I know.
could have been life and death then.
I know.
It would have had to have been, all right, well, what do we do with it now? You know, because it would have been way too much money to fix all of that. So we probably would have had to like sell her as she was for about £1.50, and then someone would have had to taken that job on themselves. So brilliant news.
Yeah, great news. So the next thing is that we've tucked her away now. We've put her away just to keep dry because there's a lot of rain coming.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to Gary's workshop, and he's going to give us a 101 on getting rid of rust.
On
like
Tuesday.
cutting pieces out. Today is Thursday, so I'll see you then. Weather's good, we're back on, we're going up to the bus. We're going to see Gary.
Welcome to our lovely home. This is where we keep Custard.
Go on, my son. Put some welly into it.
It's so cold. Pop the bollock then. This is the little shed that we've been keeping Custard in for the winter. Oh no. There's a nut on the floor. Make some noises, Craig. I think we got intruders again.
Oh, we got more poo.
Oh, really?
Yeah. A little chocolate drop there, look.
Oh.
They only shit on the throat, haven't they?
Oh no. Not on the throw. It was like 50 quid.
There's poo all over the throat.
Oh, Craig. I'm not sure why we put it all back in.
There's gonna be a murder! All aboard!
Oh no, my
Oh, she's wrecked the shoes. Where to, love?
Oh, just on Gary's house, please.
Oh, Gary's alright. So the crap thing about winter is you have to wait for the weather because we have to work outside now. Because the barn that we were in, which was amazing, is now full of cows.
Yeah.
Selfish cows. So every time we want to take the bus out, we've got to unlock it, pull a shutter down, drive to the other farm. Just a bit of a mish. Whoa!
And everyone you see. Oh yeah. He loves me, now bring it.
Alright, we're with the man himself. Oh god. We popped into Gary's workshop for a lesson in rust removal. As soon as we arrived, so did the bloody rain.
How long do you think we got? Oh, there we go.
Oh no.
It's raining. Okay, put these back in, shall I? As we weren't having much luck with the weather or what to do with the rust, we decided to go back to the to-do list.
As they say, if you can't do something, then just do something else. On our Euro trip, we spent the whole time propping up our bed with pieces of wood and a monopod. It weighs a ton and it's almost impossible to lift it on your own. We spoke to our mate Steve, the same Steve who built our lovely cupboards in the bus, as well as the bathroom door, putting up shelves and a whole bunch of other stuff. Steve said he knew exactly what to do. There he is. How's it going, mate? You alright?
How's it going, guys?
Yeah, good, man. How are you?
How are you, babe? Oh, lovely to see you.
First things first, we need to know how far Steve's nail gun could fire. Oh, that's just a cow over there.
No!
Heating's on. Steve's back under the bed. It's like you never left, mate.
I know, isn't it? I was here all the time. All of that time I was
Found
here.
a nut.
Just found another acorn, have we? So, Steve, what's the plan? Talk us through what you're going to do if someone wants to put a gas strut on a bed.
Oh, don't put me on the spot now. There's loads of videos on YouTube. Is the best way to go and find out.
So we just watched a video and a guy actually had like weighing scales and he just put it inside his bed.
You put it like here.
Put it there and then lifted that down and sort of weighed it. But what ones have we got then? How would you say?
So
what
my
strength?
calculations, not guesstimate. So what you want to do is you want to where your fixing point for your stay is going to be, which is basically in line with that. You need to get your scales underneath this point here. That will give you a different weight to that end
yeah.
because of the leverage. And then you'll have your weight divided by 2, and then that will give you the strength for the stay you need. So if you've got like a 40 kilogram weight down, you'll need a 20 kilogram stay each side.
Right, okay.
Okay.
What?
Your bed's a bit heavier, so we've got a 60 newton, so that would be 60 kilograms per side. So I'm guessing it's around about 120 kilograms, but we haven't weighed it, so this is all guesswork right now, so it could go terribly wrong.
I'm sure we trust you with our lives, Steve. Like, don't even worry about it.
Don't want to trust me with your life. Seriously.
New apprentice, he's alright, isn't he? So it's going well. We took a lunch break already.
I haven't even started.
2 hours of it. But now we're back.
Right, we need a heater for this van. We've had everyone telling us you should get this one, you should get this one. Any recommendations from at home? I'm looking at a cheap one, cheap Chinese one off eBay. Any good? Leave your recommendations down below because we're using the gas hob at the minute for our central heating. Also, Craig, I'm thinking, I know we've got the wire that we didn't put the TV. We haven't bought a TV yet. We've got a wire to attach to it. But I think I want a projector screen. Saw a picture the other day and it just looks so cozy.
Seems like you are.
So if anyone's got any recommendations for mini projectors, I just think that would be class.
That would be quite
Imagine
cool.
like we drive to Norway, there's like a field of snow, there's like a reindeer outside, we've got the Christmas decorations up, which I cannot wait to do, we've got the heating, all these blankets, these lovely red ones for Christmas, and then we've got like Elf playing on our drop screen projector.
You're still talking, yeah.
We can go Starbucks, we'll get toffee nut lattes, like it's gonna be great. Tell me you don't want to come.
I'll get on, Steve.
Can I come and catch up as well?
Yes!
Hey.
Me and Steve are going. Craig is uninvited.
After all the daydreaming, we, Steve, got back to work on the gas struts. After a few hours and a few cups of tea, we were finally ready to test her out. Moment of truth, Steve said if it doesn't work, then he's buried forever below the bed. Here we go. Caught on there. Hang on.
Go on.
Yay!
I think with the weight
Oh
of the
my God,
mattress
that's
it will work.
so
That is a
good.
winner, look at that!
That's perfect.
Yeah, once the mattress is on there,
Yeah, because it's quite, the mattress is real heavy.
otherwise it'll get shot out of the window. And
Yes! Amazing! Yay, Steve! Okay, fire's on. And I'll have to put in the mattress back on to make sure it'll stay down. Oh goodness. Yes, we were having some custard in Custard. Everyone have a lol here.
To me, Craig.
To me. Perfect.
Yes.
I can see one issue with it.
Oh yeah.
Can you see you got a sag in there?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So because that is a separate part, what you might need to do is put a strengthening timber across here.
Okay, so this is what we've ended up with. We kind of made it up as we went along. So essentially you need like something strong with a bracket on the top. We've just used these little angle brackets that we picked up in Screwfix. And then the gas struts, ours are 600N, which is like 60 kilos each side. And then on the bottom, what we found is once we attached this piece, as soon as we closed it, it just bent the bracket because it was too weak. So we've reinforced it with a bit of timber underneath. And that's it, there's like a million ways you can do this. There's so many different videos online. So I guess it just depends on what kind of bed you got and how heavy it is. But this works a treat, doesn't it? So one of the main things we found is that this was twisting when it was going up and down, and we found that it was because this wasn't straight. So what you want to do is like bring it away from the wood so that the piston goes in and out in a straight line, otherwise it starts twisting and bending the brackets.
Steve also put in a piece of timber to support the sag in the frame of the bed. A job well done.
Oh, look at that. On her own.
Stays there like that, and then you go, oh, I'm finished. Pop down.
Silky smooth.
It's amazing. I'm super happy with it, because that is like one of the major problems we had when we were travelling through Europe for 7 weeks. All the damage you see, that's Craig, that is. Unfortunately, Gary was working away for Christmas, so he wasn't able to help us with her bodywork. Luckily, we had a message from an old friend called Mark who said he'd come and have a look.
Welding new here.
Yeah.
These fiberglass?
Yeah.
Dog just pissed on my leg, didn't he? You loving it, yeah.
You were just talking and he just sort of, oh no, Craig has been on your leg. Good morning, Mark. How's it going,
Can't trust
bro?
that guy. Yes, Mark.
Oh, my nan, guys.
What?
He's in.
An angel. Mark is in. We've got the right man for the job.
Oh, completely the right man. He's such a guy, honestly. Champion of the whole world. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's telling us things that are so professional. Craig doesn't even understand what he's saying.
I'm so stoked. Like, he's really excited to get it go.
That was my shoes. Oh, I swear to God.
Is it every time? Pop,
Look, see, it was.
pops one off and she blames her shoes. So yeah, I don't think we're going to start till the new year, just because, you know, these Christmas parties, we've got our Christmas party, maybe, might be cancelled. So yeah, we'll have him in the new year. So in the meantime,
We're definitely having a Christmas party, Craig. He won't take me anywhere. I'll have to figure it out. Put on a little disco for two. Do you know what I mean? Buffet, a little spread going on. It'd be nice. So let's end this vlog on a high, shall we? Lads, we've got a competition. You know we love a competition over here at King in It HQ. So we've teamed up with our best pals at Salomon because we're ambassadors. I don't know if we ever mentioned it in the vlogs. I don't think we did. And they're going to give you £500 worth of Salomon gear.
Woo! So fully kitted out. It's
What are they getting?
It's going to be shoes, trousers, a jacket and a backpack.
Love it. Fully decked out, bro.
So you can go hiking and look like the sickest kid on the block.
If you want, like, you know.
Or just walk to the shops in it.
Or just look cool.
Go to the chippy in it.
Yeah.
So all you have to do is click the link in the description, enter your email, and that is it.
Yeah.
And the winner is going to be announced on the 20th of December, which is what day?
Oh, that's Greg's birthday!
My birthday, lads.
Oh.
So
is somebody taking you out then? You gonna have a good time with somebody
maybe I am.
for your birthday? Hang on, what? I'll take you to the chippy in your Salomon jacket.
So if you're brand spanking new, lads, thanks so much for watching our van build and sticking with us. We love you guys.
Make sure you subscribe, because Craig forgot to say that. And if you're not new, guys, then we absolutely adore you. Like all the new followers we've had recently, you're so kind. Like the comments we get, it just spurs us on, doesn't it? To do what we want to do. Have a lovely Sunday.
1, 2, 3,
Bye.
bye! Help us repair Custard's battered chassis by buying some brand new King in It merch. Or support our channel by becoming a patron.